a big kid. Wow. Who said what? Is, well, in the Caribbean, you cannot move up a class in school until you pass the last exam. Big boy could never pass an exam. So he stay in the class. You don't move until you pass. So now he's in a class, he's 10, and there is 5 and 6 year old in the same class. I'm damn clever than him. Alright? Big boy mother went to school to find out why the son didn't pass. She said to the teacher, ask me one of the questions why you ask him why he failed. Teacher said, who died to save us? Mother stand up. She think. She said, we don't know. The teacher said, all right then, Jesus. She said, no. No wonder my son can't pass nothing. I didn't even know that the man sick, but she said then. Clever. He was in class and teacher says, right, today is times table. Little girl got up and said, me teacher. She said, all right, go on. I'll send 5 times table, she says. Okay, let's see what you can do. She says, 5 ones, 5 booms, 10, 5 threes, 50. She says, okay, you're doing all right. Next. Little boy stand up. He says, teacher, I'll do the 10 times table. She says, all right, that's what you can do. Little boy get up. 10 ones, 10 twos, 20, 10 threes, 30. She says, oh, that's all right. Big boy said, me teacher. Big boy get up. She says, let me see what you can do. Big boy said, 11, 1, 11, 11, 2, 11, 11, 3, 11, 11, 4, 11. Big boy only get the children. Oh boy. One Sunday afternoon, Big boy decided to go for a walk down by the river. Nigger River. He saw Pastor baptizing some people by the deep hole. So he just stood there watching. When Pastor finished, Pastor says to him, come here, son. Would you like to meet Jesus? He said, yes, sir. So Pastor took him, put him in the water, check him out. He says, have you seen Jesus? He said, no, sir. So Pastor did him again. Hold him over the take him out. He says, have you seen Jesus? He said, no, sir. Not yet. So Pastor dumped him again. Hold him over a little longer. He started kick. Dry him out. He says, have you found Jesus? He said, look up and Pastor. He said, you sure you left him down there? Big boy went over to the farm. He wanted a donkey. He negotiated a price with the farmer. $100. Pay the farmer. The farmer says, I'll deliver the donkey tomorrow to your house. So Big boy went home. Next day the farmer came. So Big boy, I have bad news. The donkey died. Big boy said, no matter, just give back my money. The farmer says, no, I spend it. Big boy said, all right. Leave the donkey with me. The farmer said, what are you going to do with the donkey? He says, I'm going to raffle the donkey. farmer said, "Won't they know?" He said, "Me not tell them." So Big Boy went and sell the ticket, raffle ticket, $2 each. Couple of weeks later, the farmer spot him. The farmer said, "Big Boy, how did the raffle go?" Big Boy said, "Very well." He says, "I make $1,800. Farmer scratch his head. He said, "Didn't anybody complain?" Big Boy said, "Yes." He said, "The man who won the waffle." He said, "Him complain, so give back him money." Big Boy was in school when the teachers, in the science class, the teacher says, "Children, you can do your own experiment." So after a little while, they were doing their experiment, creating their own. Teacher got up to see how they're getting on. And she's walking around. When she gets to Big Boy's table, Big Boy have a crab on the table. She says, "Big Boy, why have you got a crab on the table?" Big Boy said, "You watch." Big Boy said, "This is my pet." I bend down. He said, "Run, crab, run." The crab run across the table. He picked it up, broke off one of the leg, and put it back down. Run, crab, run. The crab run across a little bit slower. He run across the table. He pick it up, broke off two of the leg, put it back down. He go on until all the leg broke off. He put on the crab. He said, the teacher was a little bit bemused about the carrying on, but she let him go on. He said, "Run, crab, run." Nothing happened. This crab is just a blob. He said, "Run, crab!" He said, "Run, crab!" Nothing happened. So the teacher says, "What are you trying to prove?" Big Boy said, "Teacher, you can't see." He said, "Crab with legs can't run. Crabs don't leg is death." Oh my goodness. Guess what? Big Boy died. He was on the way to heaven. Didn't get to the gate was closing. We all feel sorry for him. The gatekeeper said to Big Boy, "You can get in, but you have to answer 3 questions." Big Boy said, "Hey, easy." The man said, "Let me start a little bit hard, but then get easy as we go on." Sorry, ask me the first question. The gatekeeper said to him, "What's the first name of God?" Big Boy stood there. Scratchy head and dig it out. Not coming. Then he said, "Oh, I got it." The man says, "What is it?" He said, "When I go to church," he says, the first name, he said, is, let me bring it down. He said, "Handy." So the gatekeeper said, "Oh, you worked that out." So when I go to church, they always sing, "Andy walks with me, Andy walks with me." Second question. The man says to him, no, but the man says, "That's not what I was thinking, but I'll give you credit for that one." Second question. He said, how many seconds are there in a year? Again, Big Boy was stopped. Because he can't even count the fingers on the one hand, much less. Stood there, didn't know. Then he said, oh, I've got it. He said, 2nd of January, 2nd of February, 2nd. Is he wrong? The man says, okay, not what I was thinking. I'm going to give you credit for that. Third question. He said to Big Boy, how many days of the week starts with the letter T? Disappointment. Ah, he said, I've got it. The man says, what is it? Big Boy, guess what he said?
2 months.
He said, 28.